Hello all, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see about XNOR gate. Previously we had seen some of the gates like XR gate, AND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. Okay. Today we are going to see XNOR gate. Okay. Using Notepad. Like I will increase my font. Welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Okay. Like previously we had seen. Okay. XR gate. Today we are going to see XNOR gate. Okay. XNOR gate is nothing but compare combination of XR plus NOT gate is called XR gate. If someone asks what is the XR means, XR gate. It's a combination of XR plus NOT gate. It's called a XNOR gate. Okay. It is the combination of XR plus NOT gate. Okay. And in this the two inputs should be same the two input if you have two inputs like a and b. Okay, the two input should be same, a input is 0, b input also 0, means the output will be high, or else a input is 1 and b input is 1, so that we get the output as high means 1 on state, or else we will get the output as off state. This type of XNOR gate, the input should be same so that we get the output as high state. Okay. And okay, the input should be same to get high, to get on state. Okay. Next, it is used in comparators, comparators, off adders, off adders, etc. Many circuits. Okay. So let's see that operations and its truth table. I will open Notepad on Note. See here. Wait only. Ah. See, I will use some pens, black pen. Okay, this is the XNOR gate diagram. Okay, logic gate. Okay, diagram. Okay, we are giving we have two inputs A and B, and output is Q. Okay, so A is B, A is input 1, B is out input 2, and Q is the output. Okay. See here, I previously said whenever the input is same state, like 0, 0 means we will get the output as 1. See here, output is A, output A output is 1, B output is 1. The output is Q, but output is 1. Mm, Rather than that, we will get the output as low state 0, 0, 1 means 0, 1, 0 means 0. So whenever the input is same, we will get the output as high state. Whenever the input is different, we will get the output as low state. We will tell y is equal to AB, um, A bar and B bar, because the input should be same to A bar, B bar same. Different. This is different. Okay. You can tell y is equal to A dot B. We can tell like this also, XNOR B, A XNOR B, or else AB plus A bar B bar. This is the operation and truth table of XNOR gate. When someone asks about the XNOR gate, tell the truth table of XNOR gate means whenever the input is same 0 0 or 1 1 means we will get the we will get the output as high state, or else we will get the output as 0. And this is the equation like AB and AB plus A bar B bar. So if you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. I will answer the answer the questions. Okay. Let's see in the next video. Bye from Madan. Thank you.